When it comes to boosting the curb appeal of your home in Mandeville, Louisiana, few upgrades have the same immediate impact as door replacement. The front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. It's the first thing visitors see and can set the tone for the entire property. Whether your current door is outdated, worn out, or simply doesn't reflect your personal style, replacing it with a modern, high-quality door can significantly enhance your home's appearance and value. Here's how door replacement in Mandeville can make a positive difference to your home's curb appeal. Creating a strong first impression. Your front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home. A well-maintained, stylish door can create a lasting impression, making your home feel welcoming and inviting. On the other hand, an old or damaged door can give off an impression of neglect and may make your property appear dated. Replacing your front door with a modern, aesthetically pleasing design instantly improves your home's first impression. Whether you choose a classic wooden door for a traditional look, a sleek fiberglass door for a contemporary feel, or a steel door for durability and security, your new front door will add to the visual appeal of your home's exterior. A stylish, updated door draws attention and makes your home look more inviting to guests and potential buyers. Enhancing your home's style and design. A new front door offers the perfect opportunity to refresh your home's overall style. The door you choose can complement the architectural design of your home and express your personality. If you have a classic Mandeville home with a colonial or traditional aesthetic, a wooden or steel door with decorative glass inserts can add a timeless touch. For a more modern or minimalist style, sleek fiberglass or metal doors with clean lines and simple hardware can enhance the contemporary look of your home. Additionally, the color and finish of your door can tie together the rest of your home's exterior, whether it's a bold, contrasting hue that makes a statement or a subtle, neutral tone that blends seamlessly with the surroundings. A well-chosen door allows you to add a touch of personal style, making your home feel more cohesive and thoughtfully designed. Boosting property value. Replacing your door can increase the overall value of your Mandeville home. The front door is one of the key elements that potential buyers notice during a home tour. A stylish, high-quality door not only enhances curb appeal but also signals to buyers that the home has been well maintained. Homes with updated doors often appear more inviting and valuable to prospective buyers, which can increase the chances of a successful sale. A new, energy-efficient door can also appeal to buyers who are interested in saving on energy bills. With modern doors offering better insulation, weatherproofing, and sealing, you can enjoy lower energy costs while making your home more attractive to potential buyers. This makes door replacement a smart investment, as it can lead to a higher return on investment when selling your property. Improving energy efficiency. In Mandeville, where temperatures can vary throughout the year, having an energy-efficient front door is essential. Old doors, especially those with poor insulation, can be a source of energy loss, letting warm air escape in the winter and allowing heat to enter in the summer. This makes it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, causing your HVAC system to work overtime and driving up your energy bills. By replacing your old door with an energy-efficient model, you can improve your home's insulation, reduce energy loss, and save money on heating and cooling. Modern doors are designed with advanced materials and features, such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated cores, that help regulate indoor temperatures and enhance your home's overall energy efficiency. This not only keeps your home more comfortable but also makes it more eco-friendly. Enhanced security and safety. A new front door can also significantly improve the security of your home. Older doors may have weak or outdated locking systems, worn frames, or vulnerable glass, making it easier for intruders to break in. When you replace your door, you can choose one with enhanced security features, such as reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass. Steel or fiberglass doors are excellent choices for homeowners looking to improve home security. These materials are durable and more resistant to break-ins compared to wood doors. Additionally, modern doors come with better weather stripping and seals that not only improve security but also prevent drafts, keeping your home safer and more energy efficient. Low maintenance and durability. Another benefit of replacing your door is the reduced need for maintenance. Older doors, particularly wooden ones, require regular upkeep such as repainting, resealing, and checking for signs of damage. In contrast, modern doors made from materials like fiberglass, steel, or vinyl are much more durable and require minimal maintenance. These materials resist warping, rotting, and fading, ensuring your door looks great for years without the need for constant attention. By investing in a new door, you can enjoy a low-maintenance option that adds to your home's appeal without the hassle of regular repairs. Plus, with improved materials and construction, a new door will withstand the elements, keeping your home secure and attractive for the long haul. Conclusion. Door replacement in Mandeville is a simple yet impactful way to enhance your home's curb appeal. Whether you're improving your home's aesthetic, increasing its security, or boosting energy efficiency, a new front door offers many benefits. Not only will you enjoy a more inviting, stylish, and secure home, but you'll also increase its value and reduce maintenance efforts. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years to come or are preparing to sell, replacing your door is a worthwhile investment that will pay off in comfort, savings, and curb appeal.